Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make potato frittata. Exactly what you see on the screen. Six potatoes, 1 onions. Keep watching and don't go away. I'll make this from the scratch. Let's dive into it. So first I have my 6 medium size Irish potatoes. So after peeling and washing it, I will dice it into flat size, exactly what you see on the screen, into flat size, round but flat size. After that, I'll go ahead and transfer it into a clean plate and set it aside. Then I will transfer it again into a clean bowl where I will mix it with seasoning. So for my seasoning, I go with red pepper powder. You could choose any seasoning of your choice, but for me, I love it this way. I will add thyme to taste, seasoning to taste, and salt. Feel free to add any spice or any seasoning you like to. After mixing it to combine, I will allow it to I'll keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So while that is aside, my next ingredient is green pepper. I'm cutting this green pepper to the size I love. Cut yours according to what you would like. So after that, dicing this, I'll set it aside. Then I have my onions. I'll cut the onions into smaller cubes. Like I said earlier, the size you like to cut is your choice. Then I have just 1 small carrot. I like to spice it off with carrot. So the vegetable you choose to go with this is your choice, so the choice is yours. Then after cutting that and setting it aside, I have my green beans. I'll also cut this into smaller sizes, into cubes, and set it aside. Then I have 2 tomatoes, but it's coming out from the refrigerator, so it's a bit soft. Then after that is aside, in a clean pan, I transferred my vegetable oil, and when the vegetable oil gets hot, I'll begin to add my already seasoned potatoes bit by bit. Hello all my genuine subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support. And if you're new, thanks for coming. If you're returning, thanks so much for returning back. If you've watched my video up to this point, please consider subscribing to gain alerts whenever new videos are updated every week on this channel. And don't forget to watch the ads. So while that is frying, on another clean pan, I add vegetable oil when it gets hot, and next I add my already chopped onions and begin to stir to combine. Then next I add my fresh garlic. Like I said, add your spices according to your taste. I add garlic because I love that. Then next I go in with my vegetables that are already cut, and then I add seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning to taste, and salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste, and mix to combine on a low heat. Please do this on a medium heat. Then I add red chilli, 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli pepper, and continue to stir, and 1/2 teaspoon of thyme to taste. Please add spices according to your taste. So while that is on a medium heat, here is our potato. It's fried, so I'm taking it off and putting it into a good strainer to drain all the oil. And continue watching, don't go away. See how we made a frittata together. So while I set that aside, I continue to stir the veggies, and at this point it's cooked after stirring for 20 minutes on a low heat. So I'll go ahead and transfer it into a clean bowl. Then on another bowl, I cracked 4 eggs. Use eggs according to the quantity you would like to make. In this video, I'm making just medium size of frittata. Yeah, that is what we call it. So after breaking my eggs, I add seasoning and then go ahead and add already fried vegetables and mix to combine. Hello all my channel subscribers, continue watching, don't go away. So on a clean pan, after it gets hot, I melt a butter. I melt butter in it, just 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix according to the quantity you are making. Then after melting it, I go ahead and add my already mixed egg and vegetables, and at this point I will add my already fried potatoes bit by bit into it. Wow, this was a very yummy recipe. Your kids will love it, even adults will love it. It's good for back to school, it's good for lunch, it's good for breakfast, it is good for dinner. Anytime you choose to eat it, the choice is yours. But believe me, it's super delicious. So I like it to bake on a low flame for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes this is what it looks like. I'm going to allow it to bake on a low heat again for 10 minutes, so that the up, if you notice, the top is still a bit white, the egg is not properly cooked. So I will allow it to cook for another 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you notice that it is properly cooked now. So our potato frittata is ready, everyone. I will call it potato pizza. It was super delicious. Do this for your kids. It can serve as lunch, so it is ready. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye for now.